Hello everyone and welcome on this new extended deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So as we can see, another sniper entry on our gold signal to buy from 2493, and it was so accurate. This is really a sniper entry with literally zero drawdown, and I'm so proud of it. But unfortunately, I have sent an update on my Telegram channel informing everybody that this signal is no longer valid. It's invalid here because of course it was very close to the take profit level. A very dumb and stupid decision I have made here, because this signal was just perfect. And actually I was curious to know how many of my followers still have taken it even though I said that it's invalid. And thankfully here is the vote, of course, and thankfully around 124 followers, they said they have taken this signal. So right now I believe they are enjoying the profits of more than 300 pips, and that is fantastic, and I really hope it's going to continue this way. And I hope you can guys reward us by simply placing your comments or subscribe to the channel or maybe share the video. So now, however, what's next with the gold? That's the big question. And by the way, you might actually have noticed this time I'm using the AI caption in my video. So whatever I say here will be now subtitled. So actually it's generated by AI. So there might be actually some wrong words written here. So forgive me about that and just ignore it, please. I don't really have time to check every single word I'm saying after the AI. However, let me know also what do you think, guys, about the new quality of the videos, and if you like it or not. I'm really interested to know your opinion about the new shape of Xtreme Trader videos. However, what's next now with the gold? We are still actually, my friends, if we check the daily chart, we are still actually tracking the Fibonacci 261.8, as you can see right now here. If we draw the Fibonacci from this high to this low right here, we can see that the market right now is actually still approaching Fibonacci 261.8, but of course we have placed our take profit level to be achievable at 2542. So now, what's next with the gold? The bullish movement is still continue, and we can still expect to continue buying the gold as soon as possible. Let me just now move to the 4-hour time frame to show you something right here. Of course, what we can see right now, of course, here a strong bullish movement happened, and a respecting of that level of a key support at 2493. And by checking the trend lines, let me just zoom out like this right now. By checking the trend lines, now we can notice that the market is still actually respecting that level. Actually, just make sure it's correct, exactly just like that. So right now we can see that the market is actually respecting that level of a support trend line repeatedly, of course, because the bullish movement on the gold is stronger than the bearish, and most likely the gold will continue to rise toward our take profit level. So we are looking for another 200 pips. So where exactly again we can buy the gold? Now by moving to the 1-hour time frame, we can notice here a lot of price action. And right now we can see here clearly that we had, of course, a previous level of a key support exactly right here at 2506. And now the gold is actually facing right now a triple top pattern. And of course, remember, I'm actually on the 1-hour time frame. So meaning the gold is right now have a potential to make a pullback, and most likely it will continue the fall toward the previous level of a key support right here at 2506. And from there, I believe it's going to be a good idea to rebuy the gold again, considering it will actually retest the same level of a support trend line as well. Not only that, but if we combine the Fibonacci retracement, check this out. That's perfection. It's actually 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So therefore, I think it's going to be a good deal to rebuy the gold again. Now remember that the gold is actually facing right here a lot of pressure at that level of a resistance. But also, it's important to highlight that we actually have here a broken out level of a triangle. Let me just show it to you. If I just squeeze that chart, or actually lowering the price scale, now we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, another broken channel, as you can see. Of course, connecting only the real level of resistance trend lines, ignoring the fake breakouts, and connecting only the real levels of resistance trend line. Now we can notice here the broken level of a triangle, and most likely the gold might actually go inside again, and then it will continue the bullish breakout from that level. Actually, we can draw it even in a smarter way using the magic of trend lines. I want actually to make sure the signal is clear for you, my friends. So let me just make sure I'm drawing it correctly. So what we can do right now is simply use the magic of trend lines by simply draw here a resistance trend line just like this. Now you have here a template of a resistance trend line that you can actually use it every single on every single resistance trend line, and you will notice that the market has always been respecting those areas, such as this one right here as well. Check this out right here. In the past, backtesting this resistance trend line, we can notice that the market has actually kept respecting that levels even as a support trend line, as we can see right here. So by saying that, we can see clearly that the gold has indeed made here a bullish breakout from that triangle as well. That's another confirmation that the gold has a potential to continue the fall toward our entry at 2506, and after that it will actually face the previous level of a key support plus the broken level of a resistance trend line to create a new support trend line. Fantastic, and that's gonna be hopefully a good entry for us toward our take profit level. Therefore, let's buy the gold exactly from here. Safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than our previous entry at 2493, targeting around 354 pips of profit, and safe zone ranging only for 136 pips. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And there goes our deal, my friends, on the gold, and I really hope it's going to continue going this way. And remember, in the end, this is just a technical analysis. It might fail, it might not go as planned, so we have to be careful and wise about how we are taking it. And of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any kind of updates about this signal, and also to be part of Xtreme Trader team. Make sure to trade with us, and don't trade by yourself, and you can actually receive any updates about this signal through this channel. So until then, my friends, and by the way, of course, you can find the link to join this channel in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.